Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We have here the TechLife Smart Band. On our previous video, when it comes to pairing the TechLife Smart Band, we paired it with the Android smartphone. This time we are going to try and pair it with our iPhone. Let's see if this wearable is compatible with iOS platform. Although it states on the specs page of the TechLife that the Smart Band is compatible with iOS platform. So let's see if we can pair it easily, if there are no conflicts on the TechLife Smart Band when it comes to pairing it with iOS platform. So if you are interested to see the fitness tracker paired with our iPhone, watch this video. And again, if you find this video useful, like, share, and subscribe. Okay, so let's begin and pair the TechLife Smart Band with our iPhone. So let's search the fitness tracker app on the App Store. So we have, it is using the DFit app. So we'll search DFit app. It is available on Android and iOS platform. So we have here the app. Search and download the app. We also have here the QR code, and tap to download. Let's wait for it to complete its installation, and we will start and pairing it with our fitness tracker. And now that the DFit app is completely downloaded and installed in our iPhone, let's open the app. Tap on open. So we have here, it is asking for permission. Just tap on OK. Let's activate here the monitoring for the heart rate and steps, as well as the blood oxygen. You can activate some of the features here if you like. Then tap on allow, and as you can see here, so complete the profile here. So we'll leave it as it is. Tap on go, then select the device here and select bind device. Okay, let's wait. And we have here the fitness tracker. So we have, is this a fitness tracker? TLSB01. Yes, this is the TechLife Smart Band. So tap on to pair or connect our fitness tracker with our Smart Band or support app. Then allow the permissions. Allow while using the app. And as you can see here, we are connected. So let's make sure that we are paired. Find watch. Yes, we are paired with the support app. Let's check some of the features here. Okay, so activated the call reminder, message push. Yes, everything is set. Other settings, we have unit settings here. Let's check. Yes, it is also set. The heart rate will not activate the real-time heart rate here to prolong the battery life, and we'll adjust the screen time here. Let's make it 15 seconds for screen timeout, and I guess that's it. Okay, so everything is set for our TechLife Smart Band. So if you have any questions regarding the video demo, drop a comment below. And as you can see here, our TechLife Smart Band is compatible with iOS platform or iPhone. Again, support our channel, like, share, and subscribe.